Okay, nice turn. Moron. You thumbs up him?
Yep. But aggressively.
Okay.
Oh, that was a red light.
That was like...
Oh shit.
What? Oh,
Woo! A little bit, and then it picked back up again. Seemed to be.
Oh, that's good.
It just like came to a dead stop, like at the freeway entrance, and then after the freeway entrance, it was fine.
That's good.
Fucking moron, motorcyclist on the fucking shoulder.
I can see
Violent motivation in the BC interior. Police are looking for the suspects who are described as armed and dangerous. It's 6:15.
From Sportsnet 650, your home of the Canucks, here's Adam Forsyth. The Canucks and Coyotes are set to clash in the desert tonight, and it's a bunch of injuries for
Into the
fans.
tank, and then hook that up to the pressure pump. So basically, we've got two electric.
Yeah.
So. What the fuck?
What?
What a dickhole.
What?
Well, we're all waiting to turn right onto walk.
Ban on dogs on the BC Mountaineering Club Trail. That's the BCMC, right next to the Grouse Grind. Jeff Fitzpatrick with Metro Vancouver says this was done in the interest of safety and conservation in the area.
Looking at the BCMC trail, it's getting quite popular. It's a narrow trail with a number of quite steep sections.
Workplace shooting in the U.S. It was
let me
shift change at the warehouse on the southern edge of Albuquerque when a gunman shot and critically wounded
I gotta hit that
people.
sensor so that we get that
Dispatchers telling
advanced left.
Did you
No.
not notice the fucking
And police
truck
telling
that
the
just
public,
drove through on a red light?
911 immediately is considered help.
Like the lights are...
Believe it. Switch to an RBC Avion card and never say it's
Qualcosa che non vale, questa chicca bonite.
fly to Italy on any airline, any flight, anytime, on point. Avionics can do that. Some conditions apply.
Oh, buddy.
Radio. With the 11:30 in Vancouver, trying to breathe. Good evening, I'm Ben Dennis. Between your force and the Prime Minister. We're not buying the argument that nothing can be done. That's Unifor President Gary Dias, who believes the Ottawa plant can be saved, and says the Prime Minister told him he doesn't believe this is a done deal yet either.
They like observed us, like as a whole, like the whole planet.
Yeah.
Do you think they'd find it weird that? Fucking dick. Because I was flashing my brights at them. But like, if they observed the whole.
Oh.
Just the edge of the chapstick.
Oh.
I'm like, up.
Go. What are you doing? You're alright, they can't fucking... What are you doing? It's a green light!
Fucking idiot.
What are you doing?